Hi, this is Darrell Barnes. I'm a student at Northwest Community College. It is the spring of 2024 and I would like to register for my classes. I've already been approved by my advisor. I can either pick My NWCC here or go to Students and click on My NWCC. Let's log in first. And the first thing I want to do is I want to talk about fall of 2024. I think that needs to be set first, no matter what you're doing. Let's look at degree plan for just a moment. Notice that I want to take Calculus 2, and it's showing an empty slot here, so that could easily be filled. I also have a need for a computer class, and I could pick from these choices. I also need a social science elective, and I'm going to pick psychology. Usually there's a drop down here. I don't see one, but let's keep on rolling with this. Let's go to scheduling and let's go to registration. We are at fall 2024. We're all also at fall 2024 here. Let's select, I want to go e-learning, and I want to go to the math department. And I would like to pick Calculus 2. I've been wanting to do this for a while. It's full term, August through December. Let's pick that. Let's continue again, and let's pick a full term psychology course. Again, I want online, so let's click. Well, we've already got that click. Let's go to the discipline psychology, and I would like to have a full term online. These are both mini terms, and I don't want that. Also, notice that they are open. Some of these will show closed as registration goes on, and obviously one cannot pick from those, but I do want general psychology online. Let's continue, and that's it. I have registered for Calculus 2 and General Psych. They are the fall term. They're internet. I could click I'm done adding courses, and it might be possible to pay for one's bill. At some point over in this area, it does need to be done before a purge happens in the fall. Keep that in mind. And also remember to check with financial aid to see your status. Right now it's showing that I owe $1,280. Also, if you're having trouble with logins, I should have mentioned this earlier. 662-562-3934 is the number for tech help. 662-562-3934. Be well, mates.